I believe these guys can find a way to play basketball anywhere they are.
And with nature.
You can find a way to play basketball in nature? Well, sure. See, this is how kids used to do it in the old days. They didn't have plastic basketball hoops that they could put on their doors. They just made up a game out in nature or with whatever they had because they didn't have any money. What do you think about that?
Weird.
Is it weird or is it awesome? Nice dunk. Show me your best dunks.
Want to see from deep?
No, I want to see a dunk.
Alright.
No, that was slick.
Watch this.
Slam dunk. Boom. Woo! Reverse. Nice.